Let's go for the show.
I'm in love with a boy, not for you, boy. I'm so glad that she's not.
Hi, Manshu.
Hi. So glad that she's telling me over. Could have been lots of things to know. Lots of times when she knows that she says so.
And let's enjoy it to see the beauty. Yeah, 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 yeah. And here's the vibe. ये अभी कुछ नहीं है, अभी वहाँ मेन है, पर अभी हम नीचे जाएंगे and then let's see what happens. Here it is. That's the vibe I was talking about. Best part is here. I just came home and अभी तक आपने देख लिया होगा कि ये ना luxury mirrors and everything. So yeah, it's a world famous art and Mr. Harper. Oh my god, उसका music, उनका music, sorry, but bro, जो aura create करा था music ने and obviously the design, the lights, oh my god, everything was just amazing. I'm so freaking overwhelmed. And ऐसा लग रहा है कि I'm very attacked right now, you know, out of all this amazing art makes me attacked feel कर रही हूँ कि like I don't know, like I feel like I have to compete in my final project with this kind of an art, and I'm like, oh, that's just impossible. I know in my head that I don't have to compete with those big artists, but then still, like somewhere I need to match. I feel like that way. too much of pressure. Abhi to I am not feeling at all motivated. I am feeling demotivated a lot. But whatever. मेरा फ़ोन मर गया था. My phone was completely dead at over there, so I couldn't record much. But yeah, there are few videos that I recorded from my friend's phone and stuff like that. So I will merge everything here. Just watch it. It's worth watching, and it just happens once a year, so it's worth it. Enjoy this video, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And this video you have to like it, okay? Because it will be worth to like a video, something like so much of, you can't even imagine a lot of hard work goes behind this simplest, you like, there are a lot of angles you need to, there, just for this freaking art you have to know a lot of physics and maths, angles and stuff like that. Oh, I need to put this much distance so that the reflection is like this way in this angle, so the shadows are covered in this way. Oh my god, it's just not art. A lot of brain goes behind this to set up, and to draw, that's a different process. So here, like is must, so please like it, okay? Like it, and अपना view भी comment जरूर करिए. Like comment whatever you feel like watching after watching these videos. I don't know how impact it is creating in these videos, but if you get some time, please do visit this Canterbury Cathedral art. It happens every year during this time, like for 5 days. So visit it. Not this time, then next year. Every year happens, so it's just worth it. And I guess it's just £15 for adults, and for kids I'm not sure. Above 6 years there are some charges, but I don't know about kids what is the price. But for adults it's £15. £13 is for the ticket, and £2 are for the charges. So yeah, you can sit all day inside. There's no freaking time limit. You can do whatever you want to do. Bus, sit over there in a corner and see the art. You can also, there were a lot of people who were just sleeping and watching the art all above. Oh my god, you can watch that freaking art for whole day. I swear. That's it. मैंने बहुत बोल दिया. I'm speaking from like 4 minutes. Now I should stop speaking and you should like the video. Okay. Like it. Bye, doodles.